Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1999 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Our part features a perforated plate that can be removed. If you do not wish to remove your front cab mount, cut out this plate to allow the part to go around it. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Remove any lines and wires from the work area, followed by grinding and cleaning the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Push the part onto the frame and C-clamp it, while using the frame holes to help with alignment. Step 4. Tack weld the part to the frame before fully welding around all edges. Finally, spray the work area with a primer to help prevent against further rust development. And you're done.